Hey folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. I'll shut this thing off in a second so you can hear me talk. Lanny, if you would shut that thing off after I walk around back. She's got a great sound to it. Sounds good. Just wanted you to hear it running. TRX, really highly equipped truck. We'll start on the inside. If you look at the very bottom of the web page on my website, it'll give you all the supplemental options. This is a TRX with a number 2 package, not the number 1. So really nicely equipped truck, 58,159 miles, big screen, panoramic roof. Absolutely in beautiful condition inside and out. Harman Kardon stereo. It's got the Mopar rock slider steps on it. Exterior graphics package, hood graphics package. It's had a cold air intake put on it. If you don't like that, we have the original one that we can put back on it for you. GT Momentum. Truck is beautiful, Lanny. If you close that hood, this truck will go through the shop like all of our cars. We'll give it a full service, all the fluids, filters, make sure there's no issues, which we've already driven it. There's not all scratched or dinged or dented. Doesn't look like it's ever been off-road to me. It's just in great condition. The only one thing this truck does need is tires. I have ordered them, but I haven't put them on yet, so sorry about the sun. That's a factory bed cover, I believe. It's on the window sticker, at least. It might, yeah, it is on the window sticker. It's got the red spray-in liner. Never had anything hauled in it. No scratches or dings or dents or anything back there. Don't have the key for the hitch, so we'll cut that off of it. But if you look at that ball, it's also never had anything towed on it. It's brand new hitch ball. It's got the Ram Active Terrain Dynamics. I think all the TRXs have that, or it might be on the package too. I'm not sure. This truck listed new for $123,000 and change on the window sticker. We have a copy of it for you. I think I have it priced really well, and it is super nice. Beautiful truck. New tires, fully serviced, no issues. Give me a call anytime. Mike Stout, Sawnee Mountain Motors. We have excellent financing for excellent credit. We have mediocre financing for mediocre credit guys. And the Carfax is on the website free of charge. Thanks again. 404-867-5028, Mike Stout. Thanks so much and have a great day.